Are you ready to take your website live and share it with the world? Choosing the right web hosting is a crucial step in ensuring your website's success. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the perfect web hosting provider for your needs. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your needs. The first step in choosing a web hosting provider is to define your website's needs. Ask yourself, what type of website are you building? Such as blog, e-commerce, portfolio. How much traffic do you expect? Do you need special features like e-commerce functionality, or a content management system, CMS? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, it's time to start shopping for hosting providers. Step 2. Research hosting providers. There are countless hosting providers to choose from, so take your time to research them. Look for reliability, check their uptime guarantee and customer reviews. Speed, faster loading times are crucial for user experience. Customer support, ensure they offer 7 days 24-hour support. Scalability, choose a host that can grow with your website. Pricing, compare different plans and pricing structures. Make a list of potential hosting providers that meet your criteria. Step 3. Compare hosting plans. Now that you have your list, it's time to compare hosting plans. Consider shared hosting, ideal for beginners with low traffic sites. VPS hosting offers more resources and control. Dedicated hosting provides the highest level of control and resources. Managed WordPress hosting, tailored for WordPress websites. Each type of hosting has its pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns with your website's needs and budget. Step 4. Check for essential features. Don't forget to check for essential features, such as SSL certificates, for website security. Automatic backups, to protect your data. Security measures, like firewalls and malware scanning. Scalability options, in case your website grows. Email hosting, if you need professional email addresses. These features can make a significant difference in your website's performance and security. Step 5. Consider user-friendly control panels. A user-friendly control panel is essential, especially if you're new to web hosting. Consider hosting providers that offer intuitive control panels like cPanel or Plesk. Easy management of your website will save you time and frustration in the long run. Step 6. Read reviews and seek recommendations. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations from other website owners can provide valuable insights. Look for feedback on customer support, reliability, and overall satisfaction. Real-world experiences can help you make an informed decision. Step 7. Make your decision. After thorough research and consideration, it's time to make your decision. Sign up for the hosting plan that best suits your needs. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step toward launching your website successfully. Choosing the right web hosting provider is a crucial decision for your website's success. By defining your needs, researching providers, comparing plans, and considering essential features, you can make an informed choice. So, go ahead, find that perfect web hosting provider, and get ready to share your website with the world. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your website hosting journey.